How to add your photo on Instagram search page. So first of all, open up your Instagram application. Now tap on the plus icon. Now select any photo you want to upload and tap on next. Again tap on next. Now tap on add location. Now search for a location. You can also tag people. You can also add trending topics and tap on share. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and subscribe our channel for more awesome content. Have a burning question or want to suggest a topic? Drop down a comment below. This is Max signing off until next time.